All right, guys, in case you didn't see the first video that I made here of my new house that I got from the lawsuit, well, let's just say that I'm selling this one now and getting a bigger one from another lawsuit. Can you believe it? I'm picking up these houses like they're chopped liver or potato chips from all these lawsuits I'm winning. You know, it's crazy. Anyways, this one was a little too small for me, and the one that I'm buying now is much bigger, has a jacuzzi in the toilet, first of its kind. It's from Asia, a Taiwanese toilet and jacuzzi, and I'm short, I fit right in it. Okay, I got a guy right now working. We're doing a little work on it for the remodel here and the brickwork, but it's all good. How's it going? Everything going well? Working hard. I'm glad. I'll be paying you at the end of the day. Don't worry about it. Everything's gonna go good. I'll even give you another soda. Yeah. Right. Yep. That's Jesus. He's a good goddamn worker. Good worker. I treat him well too. Right, Jesus? I treat you all right. Right on. He give me the thumbs up. Anyways, this home is a little small for me, like I said, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. I need some space. I may be short, but I like to jog in a house. And the next one, I'll show you on my new video of the one I'm buying. It's much bigger, much bigger. Anyways, if you haven't seen the first one, go to my channel. It's up there. And keep fighting the fight, guys, because you can have what I have and even step up bigger. All right, boom, let's do it.
Hell no, to the no, yeah, to the no.